So you want a custom specific user command for your chat. Well, that is why we're here, and let's get started. So you're gonna open Mix It Up, you're gonna go hamburger menu, and you're gonna go to action group. This is where we're gonna start. You're gonna build a new action group for what you want the command to do. So say like a user comes into your chat, or one of your regulars comes into your chat and they want to do a funny, but only they can do that funny. That's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna just name this cat. You can name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter in the end, just something you can identify it as. And you're gonna want to add what you want this to be. So this is gonna be a video. So I'm gonna add an overlay. And then add in your source. So once you have your source added, you're gonna want to go to the height and adjust the video that will appear in OBS, and the duration of the time, as well as the position you want it to show up on your screen on stream. And once you have that figured out, you're gonna save. So after you have it saved, you're gonna go to commands, because this is gonna be a command in the chat, and you're gonna add new command. So I'm gonna make this bigger because this is gonna get a little wordy. So first you're gonna name the command, so you can name it whatever you want to identify it, and you're gonna do the trigger. So what do you want this user to use when they want to use it in chat? So for example, this video is gonna be a funny cat. I'm just gonna type the words funny cat, and it can be anything. So maybe you can discuss it with a specific user on what you guys would like to call it, but this is what the trigger word will be for today, funny cat. So after you've titled it, go to add. We're gonna add a conditional. That's gonna be what we're adding. Add conditional. So the conditional is gonna be $username, because this is gonna be identifying who is putting in the command. And for the username, I'm just gonna use my username, Sharksided. And this is where you're gonna put your friend's username, one of your regulars, a chatter, one of your chatters. This is gonna be their usernames because they are gonna be the only one to use the command. So once you have the two identifiers here, you're gonna go and add that action group under a command. So action here, you're gonna go plus command plus action group right here. You're gonna leave it on run command. You're gonna come down and add the action group. And you're gonna find it in this list. Mine was labeled cat. And that's it. You don't have to touch anything else after this. And then the next thing you wanna do is save it. Click the save button, make sure everything saves. And then you're going to wanna go into your chat with that user to test it, because they're gonna be the only ones who will be able to use it, not you. Even the streamer will not be able to use this command because it is assigned to a specific username. Can you add other usernames to partake in this command? Absolutely you can. As long as you just add another clause and add, say, your name if you also want to use it. And however many people you want to add to the command, you can by just adding another clause and then just adding a second user. That's it. But next thing you're going to want to do is go into your streaming program and make sure it works. All right, we're in OBS. So what you're going to want to do is either get yourself or that user in your chat to type in the funny phrase that is the command, which is what I used today was funny cat.
Boing, boing.
There it is. So as long as you have them or yourself to test it, it would be better if you had the other user to test it,
Boing, boing.
because you know it would work. That's all you got to do. And then you can adjust it from there. You can either add new content or you can add up to any users that you want. But that's going to be about it. And I hope this helps, and I hope it was clear. And yeah, if you guys want to see more stuff, let me know. I always love to test out things and try new things, and as well as let people know about those things. Consider checking out my socials. And that's about it. See you later.